Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I'll show you the traffic signal detection and counter using machine learning. Okay, in that Yolo algorithm we are using for the vehicle detection part. Okay, this is the Yolo folder. User can run the Python script. So it will take the image, input image and detect the output and store in the output images folder. This will be the output images folder. Right now it is empty and we are giving those input images which are placed in the test images folder. Okay, so we have to run the Python script. Let's run python space vehicle detection.py. So it will detect the vehicle from the input images. Model will load and it will detect the vehicles one by one images and is stored in the output images folder. This project developed using Python programming language and machine learning model is used and Yolo algorithm is used to train the model. So it is detecting the number of vehicles from that input images and is stored in the output images folder. Okay, let's open the input images. This will be the input images and this will be the output images folder. Okay, let's check one by one. So it detect the vehicle and make a green boundary box. You can see like it detects every vehicle and make a green boundary box. Let's check one by one. Later on, it will also detect the traffic signs. So these all are output images. Now we have run the Python space simulation.py code. So it will count the time lapsed. Okay, and or the four traffic signals. Like in the first traffic signal, it count the 10, 9, 8, 7, and it will also count the total number of vehicle passing through that particular lane. Okay, now slow and turn it into yellow color, and now the other lane will be the green color. It will also count down the timer from 5, 4, 3, 2, and also detect and count the total number of vehicle passing through that particular line. This type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, Android and Java. So if you're searching any type of project related to computer science domain, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Or if you have any doubt or searching any project, any ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.